Good morning, children. Let me continue. Already we have seen what is earthing. Then now thunderstorm as well as lightning. Then how it has occurred. Then which one we have seen everything. Then suppose in case lightning happens, it falls on the building, mean the building will be collapsed. To avoid the collapse of the building, while constructing itself, they are keeping the lightning arresters. Arrestor, just provide that protects the lightning. It's known as what? Lightning arrestor. Now we have to say what is lightning arrestor. We have to see what is lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor, it is a device used to protect the building. It is a lightning arrestor is a device. What is the use of it? Used to protect the buildings. Used to protect the buildings. Lightning conductor consists of how the apparatus is. It consists of a metallic lightning rod that remains in the air at the top of the building. So top of the building, that is terrace. Terrace la paaka poningna oru rod onnu irukum. That rod only what? Lightning arrestor. If lightning occurs, it will not fall. Even though it falls on the building, it will not be collapsed. The power of the lightning is arrested by the arrestor. Major portion of the metallic rod and copper cable are installed in the walls during its construction. While constructing itself, மற்றதெல்லாம் எங்கே இருக்கும்? உங்களுக்கு வாலுக்குள்ளேயே சீலிங்கில் இருக்கும், அரெஸ்டாக இருக்கும். That is they concealed, பூசிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. Only what is visible to us? The metallic rod is visible to us. Through the metallic rod, the lightning is arrested because insulation wires in the walls insulation wireலாம் இருக்கும். So மேலே விழுந்தால் கூட lightning, it falls on the top of the roof only. Major portion of the thing. The other end of the rod is placed deep into the soil. When lightning falls, it attracted by the metallic rods at the top of the building. The rod provides easy route for the transfer of electric charge to the ground. Through the rod, the electricity passes to the ground. So nothing will happen to the building. Lightning arrestor. If the lightning arrestor is provided in the building will be safe. If it is not provided, it will be collapsed. Collapsed means what? Damaged. The absence of lightning arrestor, absence means what? If there is no lightning arrestor, lightning will fall on the building and the building will be damaged. Now electrical circuit. Now we have seen what are the effects of the thing, how the electricity is connected, what are the circuits. Circuits means through path electricity flows. The path is known as what? Circuit. From where the electricity starts, how it goes to all the places through the wire. How we are getting the water? Through the pipes. மோட்டர்லேருந்து தண்ணி வந்து பைப் வழியாக வீட்டுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரு டேப்பில் வரப்படி we are getting the circuit. That is a connection of the electricity is known as what? Electric circuits. What is electric circuits? The path through which electron flow from one terminal to another. It is called electrical circuit. Now we have to next one, electrical circuit. Electrons flow. What is electron? That is electricity. The flow of electrons only known as electricity. Children, don't forget that. Electrons flow from one surface to other surface. From one terminal. Terminal means what? One place to other terminal. This is known as what? Electrical circuit. So for the circuit, what are the things necessary? For a circuit, we ready pananum. Just we are making up a circuit. What are the things necessary for that? First one is battery. So through that electricity is saved. First one is battery. This is a source of electricity. Next one is conductor. That is the flow of electricity. Battery and the electricity flow ana adu conductor vadiya it has to circulate. So conductor should be the switch. What for switch? To control. So whenever you need, you can switch on. தேவையில்லாதப்ப நம்ம switch off பண்ணிடலாம். Okay. To on and off we need the switch. And then electrical resistor. electric bulb it is. To we find out whether resistor. We can find out by using the electric resistor whether the electricity flows in that or not. So, electric circuit, it's the pass of electron, flow of electron from one terminal to another terminal. What are the things necessary for that? To make a circuit, what are the things you need? First, battery. This is the source of electricity. Next one is conductor. Through that only the electricity passes. The wires connect பண்ணிருப்போம். பேட்லேருந்து ஒரு wire போகும், அப்புறம் ஒரு wire போகும், like that. Then switch to control the pass of electricity by on and off. Whenever you need, you have to on the switch. Whenever you don't want, you can switch off the thing. And electrical resistor. The electrical resistor with the bulb. For example, if the bulb goes, electricity passes. When you switch off, the electricity will not pass. Clear? These are the things necessary. Here see one circuit is given to you. First one is what I said, battery. This is the battery, for example. This is battery. Okay. From the battery, it connects to the switch. This is control. From the switch, it goes to the bulb. This is the resistor, electric resistor. And from the battery again in. Okay. From the battery, this is the source of the electricity. It goes to the resistor, it glows. Okay. So when it glows, we know function ஆகுதுன்னு நினைக்கிறோம். When you don't want, you have to switch off. Clear? These are the wires. These are the conductor. This is 1. This is 2. Other one is 3. This is conductors. Through that only electricity passes. Clear, children? From the battery, the electric energy passes through the conductor's wires. That is metallic wires. Because of it passing, light glows. That resistor. That work agada illaya, we can find out on saying that. Whenever again it's connected to the switch. All the things are connected by the wires. Whenever you don't want, you can switch off the electrical applier, the circuit. Or else when you need, you have to switch on. Clear? This is simple circuit. Only simple it is. This is the simple circuit. Next we have to see series circuit. Series means what? It is a group of the thing. A series circuit is one that has more than one resistor. Next one, resistor we have seen now. First one is series circuit. It has more than one lamp. What is resistor? The bulb which glows. Series circuit is more than one resistor, but only one path through which electrons travel. So, though many bulbs are there, many resistors are there, electron on the level flow agum. For example, in the advertisement purpose and all you see, at a time many electric bulbs are glowing. This is many resistors are there, but the glowing is by one side only. All the components in the series circuit are connected end to end, the same like ella endum connected. So the current through the circuit remains same throughout the circuit, but the voltage gets divided across the bulbs in the circuit. Current is same amount of correct only, but அங்க எத்தனை பல்ப் இருக்கோ அத்தனை பல்புக்கும் ஈக்குவலாக என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணி போயிருக்கும். சரியா? This is series circuit. Here see, the battery, from the battery 2 bulbs are glowing. Through the wire only the electricity flows, but it's equally divided for both the bulbs. The same like other one is we have seen, 3 bulbs are the voltage. The electricity from the battery, the electricity goes for the 3 bulbs, 1, 2 and 3. So first one we have seen, series circuit, that is more than one resistor, one bulb. Other one is parallel circuit. Second one is what I say, parallel circuit. Here also the same like more than one resistor, one bulb. More than one resistor, but they are arranged on many paths. This is parallel circuit. ஒரே லைனில் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக மாறி இருக்கும். Many path it is. Single line and it's connected, but path will be different. This means the electrons can travel from one end to the cell to the other branches to the other end of the cell. Here voltage across the resistor remains the same, but the current flowing through the circuit is divided such as, here what I said, electricity is, that is series circuit la vandu resistor only one, okay, more than one resistor irundha kuda the electricity is equally divided for all the resistors, that is all the bulbs. But here the more than one bulb is there, one here also it is many connected, it's connected in the many ways. Here the electricity remains same, but the circular gets divided across each other. The circulars மட்டும் தான் என்ன ஆகும் உங்களுக்கு பார்ட்டாக பிரிஞ்சிருக்கும். For example, you see what are the differences between series circuit and parallel circuit. This is important question. Series circuit, same amount of current flows through all the components. All the components means what? எத்தனை பல்ப்ஸ் இருக்கோ எல்லா பல்ப்ஸ்க்கும் ஒரே amount of electricity will be supplied. Here the current flowing through each component combines to form the current flow. இது என்ன ஆகும், இது வந்து மொத்தமாக டோட்டலாக இருக்கிறது எல்லாத்துக்கும் டிவைட் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறோம். Here இந்த parallel டிவைட் ஆக்கிக்கிறதெல்லாம் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து ஒரே ஃப்ளோ இதுவாக போகும். The voltage is different across different components. Some of the through the same one, no. Each component will be the voltage drawn from the surface. இங்கே மைனஸ் பண்ணுறோம், அங்கே ப்ளஸ் பண்ணுறோம். Components are arranged in a line. Which one? Series circuit. Here components are arranged parallel to each other, straight line to each other. If the component breaks down, the whole circuit will burn out. Where? In the series circuit. In the parallel circuit, other components will function even if one component breaks down. Clear? Now we have seen everything clearly about electricity. Now we have to say what are the chemical effects of current. What are the effects of current? Because current works, what are the effects? What are the effects of current means what? Current all ennalla, what are the effect we have seen? First one is, we have to see chemical effect of the current. Okay, let me go for the other one. There are two kinds of thing. One is series, other one is, there are two kinds of circuit. One is series circuit, other one is parallel circuit. We have seen what are the differences between series circuit and parallel circuit. Now we have to see what are the effects of the current. What are the effects? When the current is flowing through the conductor, it produces certain effects. What are the effects? First one is chemical effect. Chemical effect. Chemical effect of current. First one is chemical effect. We already know that electricity is conducted by the metals only. And then we have seen by the experiments also, when electric current is passed through the conducting solution, some chemical reaction takes place in the solution. First we have seen electricity is passed by the metals. In some other experiments we can see even the electricity passed by the solutions also. Solution means what? Liquid. It's very electricity solid adhan pogum, metal wires appadithaan paathu. Now by the experiment we can find out. For example, activity 5 you see. We have taken two pieces of wire, a lead bulb, that is the resistor, and a battery. We have taken three. What are the things? Activity 5 we have seen. One is wire. Okay. Other one is lead bulb. And the third one is battery. We are making a simple circuit in this. Okay, here the what is through what it is supplied from the solution. Though the wires are connected, they are dipped into the solution, that is liquid. Metal wires mattum illanga, vera enna irukku ungalku liquid is there. Liquid is a solution through that electricity passes. So from that we know so far that electricity not only flows through the solid, even it can flow through the water also. What's the solution kept in that? Water. What's the chemical name of water? H2O, that is water. So it will be affected. The electricity passes through that and divides into two components, hydrogen and oxygen. One is cathode, other one is anode, negative charge and positive charge. From that we know electricity is produced even in the solution also. Not only it is flow through the like solids, even it flows through the liquid also. Then what are the chemical effects? Then one is electrolysis. From this we know the first effect of chemical effect of electricity is electrolysis. Electrolysis, that is decomposing the solution into anode and cathode. So by using electrolysis we can use this electrolysis is useful to us in all the ways. First one, electroplating. Electroplating, you want to deposit, for example, one aluminium is there. Aluminium is one rod. We have to give gold color to that. So what you have to take? You have to take a solution. The solution is a mixture of gold solution as some other thing. You have to connect one battery, one anode and cathode. Cathode is what? Aluminium rod. Aluminium rod or cathode which electrolyte solution is gold solution. Clear, children? You have to take like this. This is electroplating. Your activity 6 is the. We are taking a beaker. This is the solution, electrolytic solution. One is anode, other one is cathode. Here the rod. This is spoon. This is a spoon. We are connecting with the battery. So you want to give this is for example gold solution. You want to give the gold solution. What solution is this? This is copper sulfate. We want to deposit copper in that. So this the copper solution, it decomposes into the spoon. Okay, here. This is iron spoon. This is made up of iron. Electrolytic solution decomposes positive and negative. This solution copper sulfate, it decomposed into sulfur and copper. The copper is deposited in the spoon. After the experiment you seen means the spoon will be in blue color or brown color. From that we know. So spoon is electroplating. Electroplating means what? Whatever the solution you want to give. You want to give the gold means you have to take gold solution. And the gold solution is coating. Coating means what? Or whitewash paint like that we can make it up. And before that it was made up of iron. Now we are coated with copper. And it becomes what? Copper enna color irukkum theriyum ungalku. And the color la maridum. Okay? So electroplating is useful in many places to us. While constructing the bridges and automobiles, it provides us strength. We are keeping the iron. The bridge kattumbodum sari, automobiles panubodum sari, we are using iron as a supportive metal. So iron is somewhat costly. What we are doing? We are coating with the zinc. Then almost all the car parts, bathtub, kitchen gas burners, bicycle handles, everywhere what is there? Chromium is deposited to avoid rusting. Rust adikama irukkom, thuru pidikama irukkom, enna pandrom ellathukkum chromium. Or yellow color idu paathirpeenga. This is chromium plating. Then even eating also. So eating effect also the fuse. Fuse is very important thing which help us to prevent us from shock. Fuse is a thin metal, thin wire. It is an alloy wire which is made up of lead and tin. So when the over electricity is passes, the fuse cut off and the electricity will be not supplied. So from that we know some other thing has happened and immediately we have to replace the fuse. And other things are what is there. By using this we can find out the electrical appliances, electric cookers and electric kettles. Okay children, lesson is completed. I will give question and answers afterwards.